Yeah, he smells it. Okay, right.
Let me see this bit, 'cause then it's gonna
When he flies down, that'll be the end. When he does fly down, it will, right.
He's coming.
He's coming.
He's looking for
You've got to
an
be really
angle.
quiet. You've got to be really quiet.
He's looking for the angle to go
It's coming.
for.
It's coming.
He knows he has to go up from behind.
I'm gonna stand down. I'm gonna ready. Gonna get ready. Imagine if he drops it in a car window. He's got it on. He's gonna steal it. He's gonna steal it. He's getting it. He's getting it. Do you have it recording? Does he get out of the way? Oh.
Hey, you should have this.
What?
No.
I want to see it after. I want to see it after. He's going to fly away with the whole tin now.
Quickly, Kirsty, get the tin.
No, don't get the tin. Don't get the tin.
No.
Don't get the tin.
Stop recording now.
No.